I should be live right here. Welcome back, guys. Let's see if we can take a solid setup today, this Wednesday here. Looking forward. Nasdaq is very volatile. I like that. I really enjoy trading when things is very volatile. So let's see. Let's see how this is gonna go. Just checking right here. We should be live. It should work. Basically just waiting for this to update. Here we go. So using the orb, we want to see a break below previous day's lows. We're just going down to grab liquidity. We could see it very clean. Overnight lows we just got reached, and then previous day's highs. We don't see any break of structure. It's kind of like where we're getting resistant around 750, 800. I think it's going to push to 800. That's the worst case, or I think we could go long and take it to 800, but I also think it could sell off 1,000 points. I know this sounds crazy, but I think so. So I just want to inform you, letting you know that I think if it really breaks below, I think it can go all the way back. Right now, this is what they're doing. They push it, right? They push it a little bit above, and then they dumping it like we saw yesterday, and then everyone goes short right here, and then they pushing it back, and then they could dump it from 800. They could also dump it from here. So I'm not saying they could not dump it. I'm just saying it looks like what we saw over here yesterday, where things just hold beautifully. DAX is also pushing back. I want to take a look at how the Wall Street is doing. It's also retracing. It's also coming back. So do I want to go long or do I want to go short here? Right now, I myself is not doing anything. Right now, at the moment, I'll probably wait 3 minutes. But it looks like things is gonna push. Same as yesterday, where things just pushed from lows of just above 400, no break below 400, no close below, and then it pushed back to 700. I think we could see that right now. They're just pushing it and pushing it. We have news coming in about 30 minutes, 25 minutes. That could also give us some structure. I think it was just a fake out. Let's see. Let's just make some money, guys. So overnight low. We don't see any close below 400. Yesterday's lows, yesterday's highs, previous day's highs. So if we close above 700, it might target 800. And I also say if we get above 550, I also think it could go to 800. And then I think around here it's going to turn around, and then I think it could sell 1,000 points. That's what I'm more into. That's what I want to do more. So right now I'm not doing much. Not doing much, just trying to follow the system and sizing correct. Choppiness here. We went to 530 and then back to 490. It's interesting. Because it could actually start selling off from here and then maybe come back. So this is just to take shorts out. This is showing a weak sign, and then also this candle is very weak. Dumping it right now, but then they pushing it back again. It's interesting to see where we're gonna go. right back up again. Overnight close could be interesting to see if we're going to break below that in a couple of minutes or 10 minutes. I really want to take this position. It just looks like something we see over here. I could have interest of buying this, have a stop loss. I'm just a little bit careful of buying it because it could very quick sell off. So I would probably rather just go short. Let's see. So they swinging from 500 back to 450. Not much progress. Just looks like we're pushing. DAX is pushing. Wall Street is pushing. Then it's going to be weird if Nasdaq is not going to give any momentum. But again, we shouldn't be taking any trades. We should just wait for it to actually confirm, to actually do something, right? Hope you can see it better here. It's more smooth. So we're flirting with previous day's lows, and we're also flirting with overnight highs. So either it's going to go back or it's going to sell off. And I think there's many that's going to try to buy it once it's really going to rally and sell it once it's really going to sell off. I think we should try to time it better and try to short it at highs if it get rejected and it doesn't really make new highs for the day. So short around here could work. Also long could work here, but if we close below previous day's lows and it really comes below 300 and also below 400, I think it's a short. It's hard to predict right now. It's really hard because it's pretty strong momentum and it's moving above 500. I have no positions. So just waiting to see where we're gonna go. Because I would like to short the market, but isn't that very risky? Dow Jones recover. We should always check DJ to see what are we doing, because this is Dow Jones, right? So if we click Dow on a 5-minute candle, let's see here, what are we gonna see? So it'd have to close above 650. It could very quick. Yeah, I wouldn't do anything personally. I think it's very risky right here. I still think it could be a good setup for short. But to be honest, I actually don't know right now what I would do. Interesting. I'm looking for close below 40. So basically just waiting for a close below. If we can close below 40, 30 in the next couple of minutes. It's not really giving anything. It's not really doing anything. It's not really closing below. It's not really doing anything. It's just living its own life. So I'd have to close above here for me to enter a long. Then I will target 800, 900. I'd have to close below here if I have to take a short. And I'll just go in, follow my system, but it's not closing below. 5 more minutes, and then we have the 15-minute opening range, and then I think we could have some support. So I think it could sell off, and then it could around here then recover. But if the 5-minute candle managed to close below, then that's very interesting. Wall Street starts selling off a little bit. It's very choppy around here. Not really doing anything. Let's see. No really close above, no really close below. Nothing. 15-minute candle. It's about to end in 4 minutes. And then if it breaks 550, I'll target probably 900. If it breaks 32, I would like to target yeah, a few hundred points or more. But it's just opened and then it just did nothing. Extremely choppy. It's interesting to see if this is actually going to do something or really not. Not much progress to the upside or to the downside. Dow is continue pushing a bit. DAX is doing the same. Nasdaq getting no signal, nothing. So how do I trade this? I want to have a 15-minute opening range breakout with close below. Because it's a calm opening, I have these buffers. It's only 20 points or 15 points. I just wanted to close below and then I'll go in. DAX and Dow is moving higher, probably just grabbing liquidity. I'm also aware of that we do not close above, we don't have any progress really above, it's still very weak and it's basically showing weaker signs and getting itself ready for a sell-off. So I'm aware of that. It's taking forever. Let's get the break of structure. I just wanted to actually close below. The 5 and the 15-minute candle did not close below. That's annoying. There's no close below and there's also no close above. And after 15 minutes, Normally, it's kind of like doing its thing. Let's see. Come on, do something. You're not doing anything, Nasdaq. I'm gonna start opening up a short because if no progress, I would really like to open a short. But I'm also aware of I have to be very careful. I'm still waiting. Because I know it could move up, it could make new highs, but Wall Street and DAX start selling off a bit. It's moving up now. It's moving up. But let's see here. That should give a sell to Nasdaq. Oh, sorry. But it's pushing. Wall Street is really selling off now. I mean, it's correcting itself. Let's see if we're gonna go to previous day's low. No progress. Doesn't seem to do anything. It looked bullish, but I don't know. I don't know. There's no progress at all. It's just living its own life. No progress. No progress. Why can you not just close below on a 5-minute candle instead of like doing this weird things back and forth, no progress, It's doing nothing. It's doing absolutely nothing. I really don't like this market. Nothing is going on. Still think it's a short. Guys, I'm gonna open a short here. I think we're gonna have a break of structure. Might be wrong. It might cost me a lot of money, and I have to respect that. So I'll open a short right here at 72 before time. I want to short this market here. I have my stop loss in place. I would like to target probably around 200. So I'm gonna open short right here with you, in front of you. I'm short right now. I just opened my short position. Open short. Still short. Let's see here if this is gonna sell off, if this is just gonna be so choppy. Not really doing anything. It's not really doing anything, to be honest. And I really want to short this market. I really want to. It's not doing anything. It's not giving me anything. But I opened a short, just around break even, little plus. Everyone goes long, I'm short. Told you guys, what a trade. Making $10,000 here. Okay, exit the trade now, guys. Gonna exit here at 4:30. I don't have time to publish all the trades in Telegram. That's why I go live here. So exit here at 4:25 and 4:30. I've now exited my full short position for 11.2k profit. Exit all. Pretty happy with this little one here. I'm have no open position now. So I'm out. I hope you also got in short here. So I'm done. I like scalping. I like in and out. I'm not trading more. I'll see you tomorrow. Done.